In this video, we show how to replace the heatsink and processor in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a processor and heatsink with the cover and air shroud removed, starting with the starting in reverse order, loosen the captive screws that secure it in place. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. And then lift the heatsink up off. To remove the processor, loosen the screw that holds the retention frame in place. Then lift it up. Then lift up on the blue latches. And finally slide the processor out. To install a processor, slide the processor carrier frame into the rail frame and press down on the blue retention touch points. Then lower the retention frame and tighten the screw. Apply a spiral of thermal paste. Align and lower your heatsink on top. Starting with screw 1, tighten that one down into place. Then 2, then 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.